In this section, I'd like to talk about comfort. So most of us spend the majority of our time at home. We in North America spend about 67% of our time at home. If you look at Saturdays and Sundays, time after work and school at home, holidays, combine that together, we're spending an awful lot of time at home. And because we're spending so much time at home, shouldn't we make it the most comfortable it can be? You know, upgraded amenities like stainless steel appliances, granite countertops, flooring, hardwood flooring, carpeting are all amenities that look great and can add value to your house, but your HVAC system is really the heart of your comfort. It's supplying heating and cooling 24/7, 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, 365 days a year. And if you're not comfortable in a certain part of your home, you're not getting the full benefit. So when looking at possible upgrades to your home, don't forget the mechanical system. Not only is it determining your comfort 24/7, 365, but it also will determine your energy bills, your utility bills on a month-to-month basis for the entirety of your ownership of the home. So it's not something that I know sometimes it's a little bit complicated perhaps. We're trying to make it easy, but again, it's a very important part of your home, and we hope that you'll consider an iFLOW system for your next home. So we at iFLOW, we create solutions that deliver better home comfort, more energy savings, and great value, and again, all backed up with the best warranty in the business. Thank you.